Have you been looking for Christmas guitar gifts for beginners? Maybe a guitar gift for that special guitar player in your life. They're just starting out and you want to get them something that they really need. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 4 such items that every guitar player needs. Hey, I'm Derek at 5 Minute Music, and I have over 25 years experience playing the guitar, teaching students how to play, doing live sound, doing some recording, playing in bands, and I'm excited to bring you some gifts that will make your guitar player very happy. So let's start out. I focused on gifts that were very well priced. Nobody wants to waste money, and for me, money's tight. Every dollar matters. So I wanted to come up with some gifts that were cost effective and very necessary. So check out this first one. If you have an electric guitar player in your life, or even an acoustic player that plugs in that has a pickup in their acoustic guitar, they are gonna need a cable. This is the SpectraFlex Original Series. Fantastic cable. What I love about it, it's the nylon braided, it's tough. I've had this one for goodness, 15, 20 years, and it's lasted. It's made in America, and it has a lifetime warranty. So if anything goes wrong with this, I go back to the guitar shop, I say, hey, it's busted. They hand me another one, I walk out. I never, ever have to buy another guitar cable if I don't want to. So I'm gonna put a link below in the description below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so at no extra charge to you, when you buy something, they give me a little percentage and it helps support this channel. So I have used these cables for years. I highly recommend them. Let's get into something else. Strings. Every guitar player needs strings all the time. So it's kind of like cutting your yard. You don't just cut it once, you have to mow your yard a lot. Well, you have to get strings a lot. I've got some that I recommend. The Ernie Ball Super Slinkies, the Ernie Ball Extra Slinkies, and the Diodario Pro Arte EJ45s. So these are for your electric guitar. These are nylon. I also recommend the Elixir acoustic strings, the Phosphor Bronze, and the Light Gauge. These are all strings that I either use or students have used or highly recommend. Like these are on my guitar right now. These have come highly recommended to me. I can't wait to try these out. They're a lighter gauge. These I use all the time. And my Elixirs I use all the time. I'm sorry I don't have my box with me. I misplaced the box, but they're on my guitar. So I highly recommend those. And again, below in the description, you'll see options there. And what I try to do, I tried to find really good deals on these. Like there's some really crazy good deals. I'm gonna read this to you. It's hard to memorize all this stuff. The Ernie Ball Super Slinkies, that's these right here. 3-pack for $13.99, prime and free returns. That's crazy. So these right here, they're running a deal right now. 1-pack for $9.99, or you can get a 3-pack for $26.99. And I do believe they're still offering free shipping. Please check though when you go to get them. The Extra Slinkies, 3-pack for $14.88 with free shipping. So as always, when you go on there, as of today, when you go on, you click on the link below and it takes you to Amazon, double check because they might change that. But that, as of right now, that's the prices and that's the deal they're offering. Okay, another thing, every guitar player, whether they're acoustic or electric, unless they're a nylon finger player, if they play strum with the acoustic or the electric, they're gonna need picks. I love these picks. The Dunlop Max Grip picks. I use the .73, but I'm gonna put a link below for the variety pack. There's 6 different gauges and they give you 2 each. So there's 12 picks ranging from .60 up to 1.5. That's the thickness. .60 less than a millimeter, 1.5, 1.5 millimeters. And so real thin to real thick. So if you don't know what your player enjoys, you get that for them and chances are you're just gonna get it right and they're gonna be very happy. Let me read this to you. So right now, the Dunlop Max Grip picks, a sample pack, 2 each. It's $14.03. It's a prime item and free returns. So not that expensive, and it kind of gives you some insurance. It's kind of safe because if they don't like thin picks, they've got the thick ones. If they don't like the thick ones, they got the thin ones and everything in between. Now, the last thing that I wanted to talk to you about is for the electric players. This is the Fender Champion 20. Now this is gonna be more pricey, $129.99. But when you think about the fact that it's an amp, that it's excellent quality, it sounds great, it has 12 different voicings. In other words, it can go from a clean sound to more rock, classic rock to heavy metal, and it's loaded with effects, lots of different types of effects, from reverb, chorus, delay, tremolo, auto wah. It just has a lot of options and it fits, it's really light, really small, and it plays well in the bedroom. So this is a great purchase. If you have an electric guitar player in your life that doesn't have an amp yet, I highly recommend this. And I've also created the Fender Champion 20 tone course that if you get this amp for them, you can buy the tone course that teaches them how to use every facet of this amp and how to dial in a clean sound, country, classic rock, think like Zeppelin, think like Stevie Ray Vaughan, kind of a blues lead, metal, you got it, whatever you want. That course is gonna help you get the sound out of this. If you've enjoyed this, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Boom, I'm gonna throw it right up there so that you can get notifications as soon as I do this. And for some additional reviews on gear, click right there. Thank you for your time. God bless. Have a good day.